Happy April Fool's Day. I'm going to talk about option number 1 that you have for your learning today. Today, if you have the materials available at home, you can make marshmallow slingshots. And I encourage you to have a competition with siblings, with family members to see who can, shoot their marshmallow the farthest. Or maybe have marshmallow wars. I mean, that's up to you. I know what I would have done. Anyway, the PDF is available to you so that you can look at all the materials that you need. Again, if you don't have the materials at home, please do not send anybody to the store. Just move on to option number 2. Once you've had fun with your marshmallow slingshots, there is a Google Doc posted for you in Google Classroom, so that you can reflect on what it is that we were doing, as well as review the science behind it, the reason why I would have you do this in the first place. If you are the type that would rather take pictures and type out your answers, you can submit the Google Doc, and that's absolutely acceptable, totally fine by me. Others of you are like, yeah, that's a lot of work, I don't want to do it, and you'd rather post a Flipgrid. Great. You can post a Flipgrid of you setting up the slingshots, your battle with your family, but make sure you include the reflection in there as well. That is in the Google Doc. You'll notice that link for Flipgrid is the same one that we've been using this week for all of your lab activities. That's on purpose. All right, I need to stay organized, and instead of having a bazillion things on my Flipgrid account, I'm just trying to keep it, pretty straightforward and simple. As always, reach out to me if you need anything. My contact hours. The links are in the spreadsheet that's posted on Google Classroom. Hope you have some fun with your marshmallows.